Namaste friends. In this video today we will see how to make all natural insecticide or pesticide for plants. This is such a powerful insecticide that it works on all kinds of insects and pests. The ingredients required to make this product are the peels of onions, garlic, ginger and chilies. Chilies here I mean whole chilies. I just sliced it into pieces and added. And then we need citrus bioenzyme and water. And the procedure is very simple. Take an empty clean container, plastic preferably, add all the peels and green chilies to it, add the water, that is here I have taken 1 liter of water and 50 ml of citrus bioenzyme, that is 5%. That's it. After adding all the ingredients, just combine and mix it once and then close the lid. You may also use the procedure to ferment the contents for 3 months using water, jaggery, and the peels. But that's a long process. So I find this method as very simple and faster, which is very convenient for us. So in this faster method, the infusion method where we infuse the peels in water and citrus bioenzyme, allow the contents to ferment for 10 days. Just stir the contents every day, making sure the peels remain at the bottom below the liquid content. That's it. After 10 days, once all the medicinal properties have entered into the liquid content, we can filter and the concentrated natural pesticide or insecticide is ready. I have combined 5 ml of the pesticide to 250 ml of water and sprayed on the plant, leaves and flowers, buds, wherever there were insects. I sprayed on all those parts. With an interval of 5 days, I kept spraying this natural insecticide. And to my surprise, after just 2 sprays, the insects completely vanished. The plants started appearing healthy and the buds started blooming, which earlier were eaten by these insects and they were just falling down. So I'm very happy with this natural insecticide or pesticide. I hope you'll all try this easy natural pesticide and help your plants. Thank you.